Do you look this ugly? Well, we'll show you how to remove the veil. If you've seen our first video on how to put the makeup on, we'll show you how to remove the makeup. Okay. Nothing off. Okay. Well, take a scrub like this, like a plate scrub, and then you just scrub her face down. Here. Scrub it. Scrub it down. Out. Yep. Yeah. Take some soap and just take some soap and put soap on its face. Stop doing all. Can you not put the water on it yet? So take some soap. Take some soap. Do this to your face. Then take a scrub. Scrub it. Scrub your face. Like this. Wait, this is like hot water. Okay, so you're gonna put some hot water on. Okay. Okay. Got some hot water on. This is what it looks like so far. Yeah. 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 Put some of that on. Yeah. Oh my eyes! So? And guys, this is just a doll. They're not touching it. Oh, it's coming out. Yeah, because I used my finger. Huh? And then you are done. One sec. And when you are finished washing your face, you will look. Wait, you have to dry her off. Yeah, we will show the shoe. Okay. And get her towel. Ow. Her towel. Censored. Censored. Wipe her face, and it should look like this. Okay? Thanks for watching our video.